Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to do fresh live analysis of GBPUSD, and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPUSD for intraday trading. So before we start this video, please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY for intraday trading. Okay, so let's come to the point. So these analyses were did in previous week, and still market is ranging in this area. This is the range of GBPUSD. If we look on D1 time frame, market is ranging, and if we move on H4 time frame, market is still ranging. So I think we should wait to break this resistance level to move up. So basically a buy trade will be above this resistance, and that will be a nice trade. If market break this resistance, there is a high probability chance that market will go up at this point. And if market down this level, then there is a high probability chance that market almost go down to this level. We have another support. If we look on H1 time frame, let's modify this area. So our area will be here. Yeah, that's fine. But I think, yeah, this will okay, because market is ranging previous week. So there's a high probability chance that if market break this range, then we will see big candles. Let's see if we look upward or downward. So let's show an arrow here. So basically we are looking for to break this low. If market break this low, then you can open a sell trade, and you can get this point easily. And if market break this resistance level, then there is a high probability chance that market will go upward to this resistance level. And let's see if we move on M30 time frame. Yeah, that's fine. We will not open any trade in this range. This is a shitty range, so that's why personally I don't like to open and trade in this range. I will open a buy trade above this resistance and sell below this support level. So these are the trading ideas of GBPUSD for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups. And if you are looking for best forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.